Magento 2 migration can greatly enhance the speed and functionality of your online store. Join us as we explore best practices for switching to a more robust and secure e-commerce platform. Magento 2 excels in providing a better user experience. It speeds up the checkout process, which can reduce cart abandonment rates. It's also more secure. Magento 2 brings advanced security for payment processing and safeguards customer data effectively. With its responsive design, your store becomes mobile-friendly. That's a must-have in today's mobile-dominated market. Magento 2 is built for performance. It runs on the latest PHP versions, so your site loads faster and uses less memory. Now let's talk about the optimized functionality of Magento 2. Store management becomes hassle-free with its user-friendly admin panel. You'll find it straightforward, even if you need to be more tech-savvy. It offers in-depth reporting. Imagine having detailed insights into customer behavior and product trends at your fingertips. The platform allows seamless third-party service integrations. You get ongoing support from the developers, something Magento 1 doesn't offer anymore. There's a whole community of Magento experts. They're ready to help you save time and resources during migration. Let's walk through the 9 best practices for migrating from Magento 1 to Magento 2. Develop a comprehensive migration strategy. Think about your product catalog, customer data, and store configurations. Account for all integral parts of your site. The next step is backing up your data. Protect your Magento 1 information from loss during the transition. A testing environment is crucial. Set this up to iron out any kinks before you go live. Now, migrate your theme. Remember, your old Magento 1 theme won't fit right into Magento 2, so find a new one or adapt the old one. Extensions and custom coding need attention too. Make sure they're compatible with Magento 2 or find alternatives. SEO should be addressed. Ensure that your site's migration helps your rankings. Then, there's the Data Migration Tool. Install it, configure it, and use it to move your settings and data. Themes and designs need a manual touch. Magento 1 themes won't automatically transfer over to Magento 2. Before going live, test the database thoroughly. Ensure every product, order, and customer account has been correctly transferred. Finally, synchronize your database and take your Magento 2 store live. This is where all your preparations pay off. In summary, migrating to Magento 2 brings substantial benefits, including improved security, better performance, and support for the latest web technologies. That's a wrap on navigating the Magento 2 migration journey. For more insights and tips on optimizing your e-commerce platform, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.